We're doing, everybody? Wyatt, Snap Tool Addict here. So, a new video. So this will kind of be I'll do two videos. I'll film two videos. So, one will just be a short, kind of like new tool type deal. So we'll go ahead and start with that. So I went ahead and got some Snap-on metric impacts, 10 to 19, and deep and shallow. And the 19 is what I'm going to use the most, because we have these European trailers. They're Faymanville, so they're metric. Got these here. Got these recently. They are 1/4 inch, deep, shallow, missing 12, 10, 8, and 7. It's because this set was a complete set. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So this is the tray it came in. These are duplicates. So here's like another 13, 11, I think 6 and 5, or 5.5. No, another 6. No, it's 5. Never mind, my bad. But came with those 4 instead of the 7, 8, 10, and 12 that it should have come with. But good set. It's back in here. On this side, got completed my deep set. So originally, all I had for deep standard 1/2 inch was these guys. There's 5 of them. At 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8. What's this one? I think a 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 and a 1 inch. I also got this set. I got everything in a group. So I'm thinking about taking this and trading it in, since I have a complete rail including 7/16 and 3/8, which actually they do come on this one. My bad. They do come in this one. And that's it for sockets. No, I got one more thing down there. Shouldn't have. But I got this 1/2 inch extension set, impacts. Comes with 3 extensions, short, medium, long, and then I don't know the exact sizes. And then a swivel, which I have one over here, which it's just a older style one. And then I got a set, 1/2 inch and a 3/8, which is back here. So that's that. And then this 1/4 inch extension set, which, something in my eye. Which I wanted to get the Wobble Plus, but these will work. And then I have an excuse to buy another set of extensions later on, you know. But it's got this really long one, another real long one, long, medium, short, I guess, and then really short. There's all those. Everything in the top drawer, I think. Yeah, that's everything in the top drawer. And then down here, I think the last thing in here that I haven't showed, or the last thing I haven't showed, is this little set. So, it's a little set of Torx. Glaire's kind of messing it up there, but 6-piece set. It's got their 1/4 inch T8 through 27. So I'm deciding on whether I want to trade that in or not, because I have 8, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's a 5-piece set, 1/4 inch. Then I have 27 and 3/8 right here. but this is a bigger set too. This is 8 through 55, and it's got the GM 47. That is all my family owns is GM products, so I need GM. So that's why I got that set. But really deciding if I want to keep this or not. Keep this or trade it in for something I'd use. I really like these trays because, like, down here I've got the rest of them. I can take like this tray and pull it up here and grab. Say I need like this Torx. I don't know, this socket and this socket. I can slap them on there, carry them out, not having to worry about having them in my pocket and dropping one around that magnetic rail, which I really like. So that's that. And then so these will be my stuff I'm gonna trade in, along with this drawer, I guess. We'll get into that more in the next video. So I'll just leave it as for now. So thanks for watching. I'm Wyatt, Snappy Tool Addict, here in the shop, and I'll see you next time.